Big changes are coming to how homes are built in Pima County. Starting January 1st, 2026, the 2024 International Residential Code replaces the 2018 edition. Whether you're a homeowner or in the trades, here's what you need to know. Insulation just got smarter and stricter. Walls jumped to R20+, attics to R49, and windows must now meet tighter U factors. Homeowners save on energy bills, but builders will need updated specs and materials. Stronger homes, safer lives. The new code sharpens wind and seismic resistance, especially around roof-to-wall connections. Framers, get ready for enhanced connectors and precise fastener schedules. More protection, more precision. Expanded rules for garage separation, fire blocking in attics, and concealed space sealing. Better safety, but no cutting corners on materials or install. MEPs, listen up. Ventilation rules got tighter. Hot water circulation and insulation are now required. And yes, EV charging readiness and expanded GFCI/AFCI is in. Homes for all. Revised stair and handrail dimensions plus better bathroom layout guidance make homes safer and easier to navigate for everyone. Permitting will take more coordination, but the payoff is durability, energy savings, and future-proof design. The 2024 IRC goes live January 1st, 2026, but planning starts today. Connect with JW Adragna Construction to align your next project with the latest codes. Visit us at www.jwadragnaconstruction.com or call 520-616-0309. Build smarter, build safer, build with confidence.